Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to create a roll and crawl title. Let's begin! Let's start! The characters that flow from top to bottom, like the ending credits of a movie, is called a roll. Characters that flow horizontally, like the long lines of a variety show, are called crawls. First, let's make a roll title. Open the legacy title and click this button. Select Roll and click the OK button. Let's enter the text. Arrange the appearance of the characters so that they are vertically long. There is some text that is not visible, so expand the area downward. If the text is long, expand the area downward while scrolling the screen. If you close the window of the legacy title with the Close button and place it on the timeline and actually play it, the text will flow from top to bottom like this. If you want to change the roll speed, select the Rate Adjustment tool and shorten the clip length to increase the roll speed. Conversely, increasing the length of the clip slows down the roll speed. Next, let's create a crawl title in which characters flow horizontally. Similarly, select Crawl Left. Paste the characters with the vertical writing tool, close the window with the Close button, and place the created crawl on the timeline. It will be displayed like this when played back. You have now created a roll and crawl title. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.